First, connect the GODIAG BMW CAS1 CAS2 Smart Key Test Platform and VVDI2. Plug in the power supply. First, open the VVDI software on the computer. Select BMW and click Connect. Click Read Code to read the code data. Click Key Learn. Click CAS3 Learn. Click Connect. And then click Get Key Info. Choose a blank key. Click Prepare Dealer Key with Programmer. Put the key into VVDI2. When prompted to generate the key successfully, click OK. Start testing whether the key is generated successfully. Put the key into Test Platform. Press the button to light up the test platform, and the key will be generated successfully.